We have gathered reviews from across the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven evaluation of the Zitahli Wallet for Men with Money Clip. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Zitahli Wallet for Men is a slim, RFID blocking bifold wallet designed for those who value both style and practicality. Measuring just 4.4 by 3.1 inches and only half an inch thick, this wallet is engineered to fit comfortably in the front pocket, making it an ideal choice for everyday carry. Despite its compact size, it offers a surprising amount of storage, featuring 11 card slots capable of holding up to 12 cards, along with a sturdy money clip for cash. The wallet is crafted from high-quality vegan leather, which has been praised for its authentic look and feel, especially in the brown distressed finish. The material is soft to the touch, yet durable, giving the wallet a premium appearance without the ethical concerns associated with animal leather. The stitching is precise and reinforces the wallet's structure, ensuring longevity even with daily use. One of the standout features of the Zitahli wallet is its RFID blocking technology. Tested by an independent German quality control institute, the wallet is specifically designed to block 13.56 MHz or higher RFID signals, protecting your credit cards and IDs from unauthorized scanning and electronic pickpocketing. Users consistently report that the RFID protection works as advertised, with cards in the front slot remaining unreadable by scanners. This added layer of security is a significant advantage in today's digital world, where identity theft and data breaches are increasingly common. The wallet's design is both stylish and practical. It employs clean lines and popular patterns, making it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Available in multiple colors, the Zitahli wallet allows users to coordinate with different outfits or personal preferences. The minimalist design appeals to those who want a wallet that is functional without being bulky or drawing unnecessary attention. Many users have noted that the wallet strikes a balance between being larger than ultra-compact card holders and much slimmer than traditional bifold or trifold wallets. The inclusion of a money clip is a practical touch for those who still carry cash. The clip is robust and holds bills securely in the center of the wallet. However, some users have pointed out that the more cards you store in the wallet, particularly in the area near the money clip, the harder it becomes to remove cash. This can make it a bit cumbersome when you need to access specific bills quickly, as it may require removing all the cash to find the right amount. Despite this minor inconvenience, the money clip is generally well received for its ability to keep bills organized and flat, avoiding the bulk associated with traditional cash compartments. The card slots are another area where the Zitahli wallet excels. With 11 slots, users have ample space for credit cards, IDs, and other essentials. The slots are snug enough to keep cards secure, yet most users find that cards are still easy to access. There is an ID window included, which is particularly convenient for quickly displaying identification without having to remove it from the wallet. Some reviewers have mentioned that the ID slot is initially a bit tight, making it harder to remove the card, but this tends to loosen up with use. In terms of everyday usability, the Zitahli wallet is praised for its slim profile and lightweight construction. It fits comfortably in both front and back pockets without creating a noticeable bulge or causing discomfort when sitting. Users who switch from bulkier wallets or metal card holders often comment on how much more comfortable and convenient the Zitahli wallet is for daily use. The wallet's lightweight nature is appreciated, but it is still substantial enough that you will notice if it falls out of your pocket, adding a level of security against accidental loss. The wallet's capacity is well suited for most users who prefer to carry a moderate number of cards and a small amount of cash. For those who carry a large number of bills or require more storage for receipts and miscellaneous items, the wallet may feel a bit limited. However, this is a trade-off inherent in minimalist designs, and the Zitahli wallet is intentionally crafted for those who prioritize slimness and organization over maximum capacity. The wallet comes packaged in a classy gift box, making it an excellent choice for gifting on birthdays, anniversaries, Father's Day, Christmas, or other special occasions. The presentation adds to the overall premium feel of the product and makes it a thoughtful gift for anyone who appreciates practical, yet stylish accessories. One of the most significant selling points of the Zitahli wallet is its lifetime guarantee. The company places great importance on quality and offers a lifetime service, promising a 100% refund in the event of any quality issues. Customer support is responsive, typically replying within 24 hours, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. In terms of durability, the wallet holds up well under daily use. The vegan leather resists wear and tear. and the stitching remains intact even after months of use. Users who have previously owned wallets that wore out quickly due to sweat or constant handling report that the Zitahli wallet maintains its appearance and functionality over time. The wallet's design also prevents cards from rubbing against each other, which can cause scratches and wear on magnetic strips and embossed numbers. This is a notable improvement over ultra-compact card holders, where cards are often stacked together and subject to friction. The Zitahli wallet's separate slots for each card help preserve their condition and extend their lifespan. While the wallet is marketed primarily to men, it has also received positive feedback from women who prefer not to carry a purse. The slim, secure design fits comfortably in smaller pockets and offers the same organizational benefits regardless of gender. The brown distressed leather look in particular has been highlighted as stylish and authentic, appealing to a wide range of users. The price point of the Zitahli wallet is another factor that makes it attractive. It is positioned as an affordable option with premium features, offering excellent value for money. Some users even purchase multiple wallets in different colors to coordinate with various outfits, thanks to the economical pricing. In summary, the Zitahli wallet for men with money clip is a thoughtfully designed, high-quality accessory that meets the needs of modern users, seeking a balance between minimalism, functionality, and style. Its slim profile, ample card storage, effective RFID protection, and durable vegan leather construction make it a standout choice in the crowded wallet market. The few drawbacks, such as the initial stiffness of the card slots and the limited capacity for cash, are minor compared to the overall benefits. The wallet's lifetime guarantee and responsive customer service further enhance its appeal. For anyone looking to upgrade their everyday carry with a wallet that combines security, organization, and aesthetic appeal, the Zitahli wallet is highly recommended. Remember, if you have this wallet, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis, the Zitahli wallet stands out as a practical, stylish, and secure option for everyday use, making it a smart investment for yourself or as a gift.